The Blue Mountains are majestic and such an epic place to spend some time.
What a morning. Time for some brekkie.
They're also very close to Sydney, and getting away for a day trip or camping for the weekend is super easy, especially if you hook up with a camping provider like Great Camping Adventures. These guys can even set up your tent for you. While you're here, you must get out and see the views. There's lots of wonderful trails to walk or run, and they'll all lead to some of the greatest mountain lookouts in the world. You can follow the Nepean River down to the mighty Hawkesbury and find another great region to explore. There's so much on offer.
Hey Joe.
Hi Hayden.
One of my favourite things to do is a farm gate tour. Many of the local farms will have an honesty box or let you drop in and buy some farm fresh produce. Say hello to Joe for me and buy a box of his veggies. It doesn't get any fresher. Another place I love is Malanda Park Free Range Pork. These guys provide pork to some of Australia's best chefs and restaurants, and they do free range right, raised right on the banks of the Hawkesbury. Great guys. There's no better way to see the Hawkesbury River than by getting out on a houseboat for a day or two. Paul from Hawkesbury Afloat is the man to see. He's got a great range and can set you up with everything you need for your own adventure on the river.
How good is the Hawkesbury? Look at this, surrounded by nature, beautiful trees there. We're motoring along the river. Absolutely perfect. Plus, the houseboat has got it all. We got beds, we got barbies. Doesn't get much better.
While you're on the river, you should get some local fish to cook. Lifeboat Seafood is right on the wharf, and you can buy the fish straight off the boat from them. Super fresh, and you're supporting local industry.
Yeah, it's really good, seriously.
This is about as good as life gets, right here.